from street space. I am going to show you how to make seed bombs using really basic materials. Seed bombs are little balls of soil that are filled with wildflower seeds that you can throw into any green patch in your garden, in a local park, or just when you're out on a walk. And they're very small, so you can just put them in a bag and carry them around with you. And if you see a space that you think needs a bit of colour, a bit of flowers, then just chuck one in. First of all, just get yourself a bowl or a tub, a bit like this. You can use a kitchen bowl, but I didn't want a dirty one, so I found this tub, this bucket instead. You mix 10 parts of soil with 1 part of flour. Now for the flour you can also use potter's clay, but it's probably more likely that you've got some flour in your house at this time rather than potter's clay. So yeah, I've already started the mix here because I've been making some this afternoon. So you add 10 parts soil, 1 part flour, and you just mix it all together with your hand, and it should form quite a nice sticky dough that feels a bit like dough that you can actually knead together into a ball. So the next stage is you get yourself a tray or even some newspaper and a lovely selection of flower seeds. So I've got some annuals here, I've also got some brightening, and I've got some cowslip. I just picked these up from my local supermarket. You can also order them online. If you pour the seeds into the tray, like this, or onto your newspaper, that will also do. And then you get some of your soil, you roll it together into a ball like this, and then you just dab it into the seeds until it's completely covered. So here are the ones I've made. So just leave them in a dry place for a day or two, preferably inside, and when they're dry they'll be nice and solid. You can pop them in a bag, carry them out with you on your daily walk, run or cycle, and just chuck them around and brighten up your neighbourhood.